Let's assemble the expandable microwave stand. Start with one side frame and attach the non-slit foot pads at the bottom. Repeat the same process for the other side frame. Next, take the straight support bar and align it with one side of the stand. Insert the screws and tighten them securely using the Allen key. Now position the first shelf panel and secure it with the screws. Tighten the screws firmly with the Allen key. Take the other side frame and attach the M-shaped support bar using the provided screws. Once aligned, tighten all the screws securely with the Allen key. Now, attach the second shelf panel in the same way and tighten the screws. Both sides of the stand are now ready. Next, slide the telescopic locking connectors onto the straight support bar and the M-shaped support bar. Bring both sides of the stand together. First, insert the support bars into their corresponding telescopic connectors. Then, align the upper shelf panels and carefully slide one panel into the other until they fit together properly. Adjust the stand to your required width. Then tighten the telescopic connectors firmly to lock everything in place and create a stable, sturdy structure. The stand is expandable, so you can easily adjust its width according to the size of your microwave and the available countertop space. Now let's install the accessories. Take the knife holder, attach its hanging bracket, and mount it securely onto one side of the microwave stand. Next, attach the hanging brackets to the utensil holder and place it onto the side of the stand. Now, install the chopping board holder. You can position it on whichever side is most convenient for you. Finally, attach the removable utility hooks. These can be used to hang kitchen tools, towels, oven mitts, and other everyday essentials. Adjust the stand to the width that best fits your microwave, and that's it. Your expandable microwave stand is fully assembled and ready to use.